Hey guys, look what I got. That's right, I got this FMS 80mm F-86 Sabre. In this video, we're gonna see what's going on inside the box. We're gonna take a look at all the parts and pieces. We're gonna play with it on the bench, test it if you will, and then we're gonna wrap things up with the pros and cons. Coming up next, we're gonna see what's going on inside the box. This box comes in 2 layers, and this is what the top looks like. Beautiful. This is so stunning in person. I hope the camera does it justice. This is what the second layer looks like, and everything appears to be in great shape. That's exciting. I did have to take the drop tank and tilt it up like that because having this up on its side like that, it wanted to roll out, and I wanted to keep everything as pristine as possible. Beautiful plane. We're going to see everything nice and close coming up next. This is the horizontal stabilizer. Got the carbon spar for the main wing up there, a piece of the main wing, main fuselage or the fuselage, and this is a 2-piece fuselage, which is why they were able to fit all these parts into those 2 very small sections. Saves money on shipping, means the plane costs less than it would otherwise, which is awesome. Got the vertical stabilizer here, and we've got the drop tanks, beautiful drop tanks. I love how those look. Look at the canopy details there. All right, guys, when I come back, I'm gonna have this thing fully assembled. Here's a nice look at it fully assembled. This plane is beautiful. It is a lot bigger than I expected it to be, and I am stoked. The only light that you can see right now is generated from the plane. We've got lights on the wingtips, we've got lights in the nose, we've got lights in the tail. Beautiful. These are 100% throws based on what the manual says to do. And see the air brakes popping out there. I'll show you guys another angle here shortly. Here we've got another look, and you can see the tail light. Here's probably a better look at the air brakes and flaps in action. I love it. I'm always the most excited in a video like this to take off the throttle cut and rev this thing up and hear how that EDF sounds. Starting to move forward. Holy moly. Okay, that was just a little over 60% throttle. Wow, and that sounded so good. I hope it sounded good in the camera. My goal in this shot is to show you the suspension. It's a little hard to do on the memory foam, but let's give it a go. Very nice quality suspension. Very cool. Now we're having a look at the canopy. The details in the pilot look really nice. Not every RC plane pilot looks good. This one absolutely looks the part. We've got some nice details in there. I am digging this canopy. It looks very good. Here's a look at the low profile battery, the 5000 that I've got in here. And that's where I've got the receiver. It kind of fits nicely right there on the side. However, with this flight pack and the way that I want to coil the wires away from the receiver, I'm going to clean up these wires a little bit, at least that's the plan, and then move the receiver a little farther back before I fly this thing. We're going to wrap things up now with our pros and cons. As far as the pros go, this is a beautiful scheme. It's got nice retracts with wheel bearings. I showed earlier it's got an amazing light kit. The air brakes work with only 6 channels connected to the flaps, so that's great. This size is phenomenal. It's a great size. It's big, but not too crazy big. I love it. The quick connect wings for easy storage and transport are a big one for me. It's also capable of reverse thrust with a 7-channel or greater receiver. And of course, if you have an 8-channel receiver, which is pretty common, you can have the air brakes on its own channel. Very cool. As far as the cons go, I'd like to have a little bigger battery bay if possible. However, I am able to fit a nice big 5000 in there. It just has to be a lower profile 5000 pack. But that's really the only thing I'd change on a very killer jet. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the FMS codes in the description and the link to the plane. There's a big sale going on right now in GB Linden. Out.